Yabona wena. Ngiyabonakala ba ufuna uphila. Awuthanda. Uthixo unike ubomi. Ba uphila wenze kakuhle emhlabeni. Kodwa wena uyihlulakala ukwenza lona. Khangqale. Uyayazi justice.
Ngicela ukuxolela kuyo into engenzileyo. Ngicela ngixolele. Ngiyacela. Ngicela nokuxela kwenzeke into kuyo yonke into engiyenzekelela after ngishayisa umntana wakhe ngicela ukuqala kwenzeke into. Like galamini ndiyenza ngishayisa umntana wakhe. After that ngizazange bala kwenzeke like kuyenzeka ntompumu. Ndivese nje ndaphanika and nengqondo nayo ivese yalala ndazi ba mandithini then ndavese nje ndadrive imoto ndahamba. Ndihambile like about 30 to 40 kilometers ngiyazazi uba ndiyaphi but ndiye ndadrive andiyazazi uba ndiyaphi yonke ingqondo yakhe ibifrizile. After that ke ngoku ndingacinga uba like irong ndilenzile but still ndinoyikubuya because bendinoyikubanjwa.
So khangixelele ke ikhona ijustice kule nto uyenzileyo wena. No, akho ngxaki. Ndikuxolele. Kodwa mntana wam akaxolela naye.
Ngiyacela ukungixolela.
Tell Nanam. Nanam was everything to me. Was everything. Just couldn't say Mzansi. And you decided to take it away from me. Why? Why? How would you feel when man ngabulelwa kumntana? Ungaziva kanjani? Phendula damn it. Ungaziva njani if ngabulelwa kumntana?
There's no sugar. Mzansi. Akusolenzani? Uzangitshisa? Uzokwenzani?
As I said before, I feel like you don't appreciate life more. And I feel like you deserve to die. Bengishilo nje noba ndixolele. Qha yonke le nto ndiyenzayo ndenzela ukonelisa umntana wam because akaxolelanga yena.
Okay. Cela ukumamele. Ndi-CEO. Ndi-major CEO. I can give you thousands.
Do you think imali izawubuyisa umntana wam?
Xolo yonke into endihloko ndicinge ngalo. Like bendifuna nje abantu uba like sixolelane sigqithe kule into ndacela ngixolela ngehlobo ndicinge ndacela.
Okay. So I've got 3 questions for you. And if you don't pay zonke. What else did you do after wenze laa nto wayenzayo? Otheni ungayozi bambisa emapoliseni? Oh, you want me to kill your child? they say that it works, it does have an effect. I'm doing bad teaching young.
Okay. Ne? Okay, after that when Xhosa then and then can't then the police station the next day. And I was confess. Then you will go. Company was can't confess in that chick. Company was okay. I was not talking like cut off and cut off ambulance of the like cut off like that.
So you ufuna bulala wena? Kodwa umntwana uswelekile. Bulala wena. Khona ngifuna ungenzeleyo.
Zokezani. Mzansi.
We are going live. Ndifuna uconfess yonke into eyenzileyo.
Ndicela kuyinto kusikwenza into oyinto ndicela torho. Oyinto kusuthi like umuntu wenze lenhloko nzangalo.
5 seconds.
Oyini.
4 3 2 1.
Molweni. Okay. Now kwenzeka into endiyenzile ndiyendashayisa umntana. On that day into eyenzeka I was in a half like a meeting, so ndaqeda coffee shop, then ndathenga ikofu, then ndayisela ngoku ndiqhubayo. Then I speed up the bump, then yachitha ikofu, so ndisathe ndiwe loo nto uba ndizosula, and then ndatshayisa ndastopa ndiyojonga uba nditshayise ntoni. Xa ndifika ngumntana inoba phaa 6 hours. Andikwazanga like andiyazanga uba mandithini guys, ndapenika ndangena emotweni ndadrayiva about kilometers away, like 30 to 40, then I realized that I have to go back there, but andikwazanga guys. And then ndaye endlini, xa ndifika endlini kangikwazi ulala, kangikwazi uhlala. And then the next day ndahamba ndaye police station. Ufika kwam phela police station kangikwazi uconfessa ndinajika.
Tell them how evil you are. Tell them.
Okay, guys. Ayindawo lehlolo ngicabanga ndikhona. Andinguyanga lo muntu like at all. Ndimdaka kakhulu ndinxelele. But uba ndiye ndafa ndiniyazi uba babingento engamabomi. Like nditshintshe into zale mhlophe.
Uba uclever wena ne?
Ntibela, what are you doing, Appa? Ntibela, do you know how I had to find you? Because in Mbaleka ufunthetha nam. I had to trace the phone yakho, man.
Angifuni uthetha nawe wena. Uyazazi uba wenzeni.
Are you really going to talk about that ke ngophambi komuntu oboshelelweyo apha? Ntibela, what the fuck are you doing, Appa?
You betrayed me, Thabo.
Wait, betrayed you? How?
You forced me to confess about unedibene nomntana man. You asked me about 10 sithi la mntwana innocent, and I told you uba nami nani nomntana I was utshayiswa imoto wasweleka.
I don't remember that.
Of course you won't remember because you were hypnotized, Thabo.
Are you really gonna blame that on me, yo? Now Ucho, I was hypnotized, so I was not aware of what was happening. Kana wena obona ngabe umntana is trying to divert you to look into something else. Uyeke case yakhe bebulela umuntu.
But unodole uthi innocent la mntana. So obviously innocent nyana.
Everyone as associated naye la mntwana just dies. Do you call that innocence wena? And Ndibela ukuba lapho bophelelelwe sisi umtorturation wenza whatever you want to do to her won't help. That won't console you. Fine.
Yeah. We are going. Yeah.
Nyekambe Mtibela man. We'll talk about this, just the two of us.
That's not gonna happen.
Wait. Mtibela, how did you find her? Mtibela, I'm asking you a question. How did you find her?
Like look into the phone and then meet my Stephen going down. Then the end I payana. Go like the was like two. But after the body can't go to move, can't go to the next. Like actually I'm trapped this husband, the
Who helped you?
Kana mana nyumtana ngatakanga ngena dibana nayo khayana. So sawa masadibana nabantu bazana bini ndawo lelihlathi manje. Sidibana nabantu bazana ayi2.
There's a lot you need to tell me, man.
Benji, baby, wow.
See the mess you just did? You made a mess, man. What happened to you? What happened to the young girl of any ambitions? The girl in a Kabbalah nimthathelele uba angene ku-police academy. Umuntu oyithanda into ne-justice. Phakathi. Ngoku you going against the law. Why are you going against the law? What if lo sisiqhuqhuba uphuma apha ngoku angahamba emapoliseni ayofile a case about kidnapping?
No, she wouldn't dare. Because yes, that's never went in doing. And she's lucky ukuba nazange nimbambisi.
Viewers, Mtibela, there is something I need to tell you. You know, you're an amazing person. I appreciate you as a friend. You're so amazing. And I love you. But did you know about apa good police si corrupt ngana? Sonke singamapolice si corrupt. I mean, like, you can go anywhere up in South Africa. You'll never find the police on the street. For instance, if we get a tip off that we will never go there until those people disperse. Do you know why we do that? Because we are human. Look at me. In the flesh. As for when you need bangaba. And I've told you in fact many times about poor magli case you. Just close it.
I've told you. No, Mubana. And this is a case. Because this child is innocent. Detective.
Vuvu, just create anything. Talk to brigade. You're not feeling well. You need counseling. This case is just too much for you.
Counseling won't help me.
Detective Ntibela, there's something you need to know.
did you invite them?
After you betrayed your friend so many times.
Oh, now this is about me. Somebody talk to me here.
Is there anything you want to say? Were you the one who was saying the case in
Yes, I was the one handling case of Danago. But that case, the time we English, I could see, but this is a total failure. We went there on the scene. We literally looked for anything we could use as evidence, but nothing we could find. There was literally nothing we could find. And aside no case when the English, I had to make a maqingam. But the Pumagli case, na leave, and then I went and leave. The case was assigned to somebody else. When I came back, I had nothing about the case. Please believe me, Vuvu.
Okay, so the next person why you hang the case, why you find? Because we sit in jail, case in jail about the cat. And that's why I don't go. They're not trying to face more police. Because none of them will do this. After everything he hates about him. How do you feel? Uyazba, umntana kuyayazba. Umuntu wayihandisha case yakho, umntanakhe failed you. Someone who claims to be your friend. Detective, I want you to give me a word and I will do whatever you want me to.
Ntombazana ndini, ufuna ndiwone apha kakade? Ufuna ndiwone apha? Like, this is between me and her, not you. Like, go pull more, but before I lose it.
Lose it. Is that what you got? Detective, say a word. Do what you think is right. Detective, I said do what you think is right.
What?
Detective, before anything happens here, I have a message for you.
Yes, he didn't know that you had a child because you met after the accident. Thabo stole and burned the docket after he was bribed.
Vuvu, please. It's me, your friend, Vuvu. You know I've been there for you. There's so many things that I've done for you. Like when you needed my help, I showed up, Vuvu. I'm sure there's a lot that you can remember. A lot of good things about me.
Thabo, I am done with you. I am done with you.